Searching for utility and comfort, but don't want to have to sacrifice styling? Have a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Patriot High Altitude in deep cherry red. With halogen headlamps, fog lamps, deep tint sunscreen glass, 17-inch granite painted pocket wheels, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, audio jack for input, Sirius XM satellite radio, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, remote start system, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5375.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.